How to turn on or turn off Bluetooth music share on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, you will see first option is connections. Click on connections. After click on connection, click on this third option Bluetooth. After click on Bluetooth, click on this three dot icon and click on advanced settings. After click on advanced settings, you will see music share is here. If you want to turn on, if you want to turn off Bluetooth music share, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see music share is turn off. If you want to turn on music share, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see music share is turn on. You will turn on or turn off music share from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off music share on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.